The 2018 Dodge Grand Caravan. The Dodge Grand Caravan received the government's highest front and side crash rating of 5 stars. Its vast interior is widely praised, with an innovative seating arrangement, versatile cargo storage, and enough entertainment features to keep the kids entertained on road trips. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power liftgate, power passenger seat, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, heated front seats, electronic stability control, fog lights, CD player, power windows, trip computer, compass, security system, heated steering wheel, rear window defroster, overhead console. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.